Hey everyone, it's Tannen here from Conscious Crypto, and in this video I'm going to give you a very brief walkthrough of Atomic Wallet. So that's the wallet application that you've already downloaded, hopefully on your phone or on your computer. In this case, the walkthrough is going to be for the desktop version. And we're also going to learn how to send crypto from your Atomic Wallet to an exchange. So for example, if you wanted to cash out because one of your altcoins just did a 50x and you want to go buy a nice pair of shoes or something, I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So here we have our Atomic Wallet account, and you can just enter in your password. And while we wait for that to load, here we go. So this is your Atomic Wallet dashboard. What I was just going to say is one of the reasons why we recommend Atomic Wallet over other desktop wallets out there is because of its security. Your private keys and your public keys are actually stored on your physical device, so on your laptop or on your phone. They're not stored on a web hosting server as they are with some other desktop wallets. So Atomic Wallet is really good for security. It's also awesome because it has so many coin options. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of options of different coins that you can hold in this particular wallet. And there's also some other really cool functionality that I'm just going to briefly touch on. So here we have our wallet. Here we have exchange. So this is a cool feature with Atomic Wallet. You can actually swap coins right from within the wallet. So say you wanted to trade a little bit of Stellar Lumens for some Bitcoin. You could do that here. One thing I'm going to mention about that, however, is you're going to pay a higher fee, a premium to do that through Atomic Wallet than you would to do that, say, through an exchange like Binance, for example. So keep that in mind. There is convenience here, there is ease of use, but it comes at a price. And if we continue going down, you can see there's some other options. You can see history on any trades you might have done of any Bitcoin or any kind of altcoins you might have sent to other addresses. There's a staking option, which I'm not going to get into. That's a little bit more advanced, but that's a nice way to earn passive income with crypto. But what we really want to learn how to do while we're in Atomic Wallet here is how to transfer a coin. In this case, we're going to transfer Bitcoin to your other exchange or to your other account. In this case, we're going to use the Bitbuy account. So here we go. We have Bitcoin and we want to send it. And so we're going to need to go to our Bitbuy account and we're going to want to find Bitcoin. And here we go. We're going to want to click on here and click deposit. So it's given us a wallet address. We're going to copy that to the clipboard. And we're going to go back to Atomic Wallet and we're going to click here to paste the address. So before we move forward from here, let's go back to our Bitbuy account and let's confirm that we have the right address just to be certain. Always a good practice to put in place before we send any kind of cryptocurrency. So we can see the last four letters are VZLD. And if we go back to Atomic Wallet here, VZLD, okay, great, we're in business. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to send everything I got and I'm going to click the send button. It's going to ask me for my password once more. And we're going to click confirm. And success! We've just sent our Bitcoin from our Atomic Wallet to our Bitbuy account. And so you got to be a little patient with this. It usually takes, with Bitcoin it can fluctuate. It could take a couple minutes, could even take a couple hours in really slow cases. But usually it's going to take between 5 to 20 minutes. And you're going to see that Bitcoin showing up in your Bitcoin account on Bitbuy. That's it, guys. Super easy, super simple.